don't entertain problem. That's the problem is especially trouble.
Oh. Ano daw?
I cannot repeat, be alert.
Ang ganda mo dyan.
Pero alam mo ba na, ano pangalan niya ulit?
Anong mo?
Tony, you know what, Tony?
Masigilin mo? Hindi ko na ulo.
Masama sa puso sa kanila. You know what, of all the men in the world, I prefer Australian boys.
Why?
Because we all know that Australia is the land down under. I prefer Australian boys because when they kiss, they prefer down under. Can you try?
Excuse me.
Right now. Please. Right now? Please. How do I do it? Right now.
Bitin mo, patungan mo na.
Tawag mo kung pipilitin, iuurog yung atay mo. I'm going to move your liver.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ah,
Well, it's for me to keep and it's for you to find out.
come on. Sex with Majin Buu.
Come on, don't be shy. Piyag-iyan naman ako sa'yo sa kuragi.
Ang ganda mo niya, no? Ayun. Ang ganda mo dyan, may kamukha ka. Puta ko, Bea Alonso.
Pinay lang.
Kabila. Ay, puta ka, Barbie Fortes. Oh, harap. Ay, puta, Franklin Drino. Ay, ano yun?
Sabi ko lang, babae ako.
Babae ka. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Mrs. Franklin Drino. Siyempre, pagandahin na natin. Ito na po,
And after this,
ano?
baka maybe do you have any songs in mind that you want to hear? You can request a song.
Yes. What is your favorite song?
At the moment, Lady
Yeah, Lady Antebellum. This the younger sister, Lady Gaga.
Kaka hindi! Ano?
Barangkado ulit. Ha? Ang sabi ko.
Kung pinakalang makakalabas ka man dito sa looban namin.
Hindi ka ba oh, that's Undertaker. Ay, wrestler ba? Wrestler, yeah.
Hindi, beauty queen, beauty queen. Siya wrestler.
Lady, pamangkin ka pa po natin si Tony. Palakpakan, guys.
such a good sport. Really, thank you.
Thank you, Tony. Thank you so much. Thank you. My God.